My husband, you are ready.
Yes.
That is very good.
I am ready to go now.
Let me take a very good look at you. This is good.
That's why I'm always happy whenever I behold your face.
Of course, you need to. But please, very, very good.
You trust me? I will. It's alright. Let me run here.
You see, I'm a mom. What kind of friend are you still?
Come. If you talk too much, I'll leave your hair for you.
And it's even better you leave because it's spending me. Leave it if you want to spend my friend, let that help.
You know I won't leave it in. Okay, mama.
Do it. Are you? Is you?
Don't even know I'm jealous in this way.
That's why I want to cut it, I think.
Oh, because
I too.
Ify. You're such a lucky girl.
How?
Your family is so loving and caring. Not like my family. In fact, the jealousy, sometimes I admire you. I wish I'm your sister.
You're funny. You're my friend now, and you're like a sister to me as well. So I thank God for the kind of parents I have. They are God-fearing, you know.
What of your uncle doing?
I believe that man. Every year young. That man no one old. It's fine. Young Bobo. I beg. Go, wait. Do this side. This side.
I should do this side. Ifoma, I will leave your hair for you.
Leave it, man.
If it's for Papa, now will you give me?
If it is Papa, will you give me Papa?
Okay.
Do it.
Okay. Talk too much.
My brother, how is Eko and other members of the family?
She's fine. I know Ekoma is very special to you. She's fine.
But do you know why? That woman is your pillar. That woman is your supporter. Look, without that woman, you would not have been able to make it alone. That is why she's special to me.
Yeah.
I appreciate her.
She is fine.
All right. So
yes.
What brings you to my
proposal? You know, as my elder brother, there are certain things you need to know before decisions are taken, especially in my house.
Yes, you are right.
My son, our son, Afam, wants to travel to Onisha to stay with his friends and also to hustle for life.
Seriously?
Yes.
Look, oh, that's a good idea. Good idea. Look, I am happy our son now reasons like a man.
Exactly. He is matured now. Yes.
And you know what? It calls for celebration. Yes. Just hold on.
You don't know them. What?
Give me my money. Give my clothes. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Give me my money.
Leave my shirt now. Leave my shirt before I lose my temper. Hey. Listen, let me tell you. Leave my shirt now before I lose my temper. People will just be sleeping. Somebody will come and wake it up. Can you bear the consequences?
Give me my money.
Listen, leave my shirt now before I lose my temper.
Give me my money.
Listen, let me tell you. The day I married you, that was the day everything that belongs to you, the totality of you, belongs to me. Leave me now. Leave me now.
Give me my money now.
It is a Bomi country, not only a nation. When last did you give me money in this house, Elijah? All you do is to sit with that evil man and be planning evil and going around this community, chasing after small girls. Elijah, do you think that I'm blind? I am not.
If I give you this money now, it's just that I want peace. It's not that the money belongs to you. The money belongs to me, including you. But if I give you this money now, it's just I want peace.
Leave me now, let me give you the money.
No, my money first.
Yeah. Leave me now, let me give you this money.
Elijah, give me money. Hi.
Onyamuma, Elijah, Onyamuma. Take your money. There you go. Take your money. You don't know your boundaries, eh? You don't know your boundaries. I am your husband. Everything about you, I own it.
Sorry.
Don't make me feel angry.
Sorry for God. You can't come from
Chief?
Baby.
But you said you're going to your maternal home. How come I didn't call you when I was going to farm?
Adigola Togia, I am sorry. Something came up. And I just decided to go in the evening time.
But you should have told me now.
I'm sorry for that. If this thing you're carrying is so heavy, let me help you. Hey.
Give you this now. If I would, you save you already now.
No,
look at
now, baby, I don't want to stress you now.
It doesn't matter, don't worry. Let's go.
If you love you, sweetie, love you, baby, because love you.
So if I give you this one now, you'll be happy.
Yes.
So you'll be happy, eh?
Yes.
Okay, take.
Thank you. Baby.
So it's what you want, I think.
Yes, give me.
I should give you this one as well.
Yeah.
All right, take. Good.
Asampete mwani oma ele ukwu egbu ewu kosi emem naro onemem jenene na Izutimo Arigola atuoki amo Ukientem Itom Hello
You said that you'll be traveling to Orisha tomorrow morning, right?
Yes, Papa.
So who did you say that has asked you to come? And secondly, will they provide accommodation for you for the meantime?
Yes, Papa.
Okay.
They are my very good friends.
Okay.
When we're in secondary school.
Yep.
I'm Okize and I'm Obina. So I'll be staying with them for the meantime before I rent my own house.
Oh, good. That's right.
How far, my son?
Mama.
It is not as if I don't want you to travel. But my spirit is not yet settled. At all.
Mama go quiet. Mama tell him.
That is what I'm telling you.
I've been having bad dream ever since yesterday. He mentioned and partner. Tell him.
How far? How far?
Sister.
How far? I don't want you to travel. But don't look at it as if we don't want your progress. In fact, we don't want you to travel, Afam.
Yes.
Stay here in the village with us. You will make your money here in the village. I've set my own.
Well, I have discussed this thing with his uncle. And he brought the idea. So the best thing to do is to encourage him to travel.
Papa?
Yes.
Many words. Huh? Is Uncle dead by his father? Papa, you have the final say in this issue. I don't want him to travel. We don't want him to travel. Okay, now.
Mama. Mama, why are you coming like this? Papa?
Yes, my dear.
Mama.
Afa.
It's not as if I'm disobeying you people.
I know.
But I have to. to me.
Yes.
Papa, nothing is happening in this village. I have to build my own house. Get married someday. Make money so I can take care of my family.
Yes.
Mama, I have to go.
Afan.
Eh?
So you want to leave me in this village and travel to the city? You want to leave me in this village and go to the city, Afan? You are not going anywhere. Oh, where could be Naga? Where Bona?
My son, he has made up his mind. I think the best thing now is to allow him follow his house. Yes.
Papa?
Yes. Huh?
You can still talk to him, not to travel. You can still talk to him.
Sister, I know you love me. But I have to travel, I have to live, I have to make money. To be personally, I know you love me. But please.
My son, you can go. You can go.
Papa.
Just get at this ready.
Oh.
Hi.
Let me try.
Hi. Remember? Nah. Yes. That is it. What else are we asking? Nothing.
Go well. It shall be well with you. Anything you touch your hands shall prosper. It is well.
Look at him. Look at there. Look at him. Go in peace. Be strong. When you reach there, overtake them, all of them. Make money. Become rich. So that when you come back, we will all be smiling.
I will make you proud.
Yes, I trust you. Yes? Hi, oh yeah, the Jebe, you catch up. Jackie with our ifa I then. Hi.
Mama.
You people should stop crying. I'm on diet. He is going to the city of brother, okay, to make money for us.
I'm not going to die. I'm going to make money. Oh?
Afam, if you are looking at these women, you won't go today. Leave them.
No.
Afam is not there. Gaba,
No.
Gaba don't go to Gumba. Gaba,
It's okay.
if you are looking at these women face, you won't go today. Go, go. You are a man. Bye bye. Bye bye.
And he will come back big. Like other boys.
Like other boys.
Let's go and finish off this.
Hi, let's go.
Ifeoma, what is wrong with you?
Mama, I'm fine. Nothing.
No, you are not fine. I am your mother. Talk to me. What is wrong?
Mama, I'm not just happy over this journey my brother made. Something bad might happen to him.
So fear what? God forbid. Spit it out. Ifeoma, nothing will happen to your brother, okay? Nothing will happen to him. Cheer up. Now you listen. Whenever you finish what you are doing, I want you to go to the kitchen. You will see your uncle's food inside. Take it to him. But please, make sure you help him to do some housework. Elena?
Okay, Mama.
Alright. This is Bonwa. I'm going to the market now.
Okay.
What will I buy for you?
Thank you, Mama.
That's because the sun is rising. Let's finish.
Down.
Uncle is farmer. Uncle, good afternoon.
Hey, my dear, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey.
My mommy said she gave me this food.
Eh? Your mommy gave you food for me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Hey, Uncle, where are your dirty clothes now so I can help you wash them?
From bringing my food to washing of my clothes. You are surprising me.
You're my uncle now, so, and also my father. So I will do for you things I do for him.
Yes, thank you, my daughter. Thank you very much. You have done well. But I washed my clothes yesterday. They are all clean. Oh no, don't be annoyed now. I will let you know when next to come and wash.
But the other time you told me you will tell me when your clothes are dirty, and now you wash it again. Wash your clothes again.
I'm sorry, no, I won't wash them again.
I won't wash them.
I won't wash them again.
Go.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Regards to your mother.
Yes.
Alright.
Why are you staring at me like that? Yeah? Ngozi? Ngozi? How many times did I call you now? If I start to beat you now, you run to your parents' house to call your brothers to come and fight me. Listen, next time I see them here, you will see what I'll do to them. Next time you bring your brothers to this compound to fight me, you will see what I'm going to do to them. Nonsense.
Thank God you understand that. And that's more reason why you can never imagine that in your life.
Kaka, go and sit down, barren woman.
Me? You call me a barren woman?
Are you not a barren woman? Is it womb that you have here? This is ordinary basket. Everything I put inside here will leak. Everything I put will leak. Is it not basket? This is miracle.
Is it not the weakness of your manhood that made me barren?
Me?
Are you a man?
I am a complete man. I'm Muslim. I was born strong. Yes.
Are you a man?
Yes, I'm a complete man, Elijah. Elijah Onyamuma is a man. For the past 15 years you've been living with me in this house, you cannot even do anything. On top of the bed, you are just like a log of wood. Have you ever seen a woman that was able to conceive without wriggling her waist on the bed? You need to be front, back, left, side, everything. That is the only way you can conceive. Not lying down like an ordinary log of wood.
On your pocket,
yes.
Rental brothers.
Yes.
Continue to dance. Evil man.
How did you know?
Evil man.
I am ready to dance outside, but with you, I will not dance again. I am tired of dancing. You will be there, I'll just go outside and bring in a woman that is ready to do a walk, especially a walk with me.
Let me see the man that will allow you to marry his daughter.
We shall see. Can you imagine?
Yourself.
She cannot even perform on the bed. If I try to do my own work, she will not conceive. Is it not basket that you have in your womb? Anything I put inside there, the thing will just leak. Anything I put, it will just leak. For 15 years, none of every day work report, every day work report, yet you cannot conceive. Get out of my face. I'm going to bring in a woman here now. Then come and carry this your food, Seth. There is so much salt in it. I'm not interested again. There's so much salt. I don't want to eat again. Can't even cook.
Wow. Hey. Can't believe this. Let's go. But it's already here. It's because it's your first time now. Very soon you get used to everything. You know that. You know that. You know what's going on. That's so. Now you can do. In fact, now you can be this. No be Lagos or London. And otu adi asi ndo no ni try be like this. Na mi try this try ayo. Business. Think about this street, your street. Well, come on.
You want to know? This piece was very sweet. Baby, Aligulum, you are moody. And you know I don't like seeing you in this mood. I don't like seeing you being angry. Talk to me. I'm your Chimobi. Afam have traveled to the city. That's a good news now. Yes, sir, that is a good news. Now Afam have traveled. That means more time now you will carry jeep. Pull up a rice, pull up a beans, and any people.
I'm talking about my brother Afam, you're talking about Abba jeep, Abba rice, Abba getting so again. I'm not happy you tried to sing.
Aligolom, it seems you love your brother so much. I can see that. I can feel it.
If not,
if I am jealous. Yes, I am jealous. It seems you love your brother more than me. I'm jealous for that.
Chima, wait. You say you're jealous?
Yes.
Then, if you're jealous, put your leg inside this fire. Let me know you are jealous. Yes, so if you are jealous, just put your leg inside this fire.
I should put my leg inside the fire.
If you are jealous now, so that I will know you are jealous.
If you I'm jealous. If I'm jealous, I'm jealous. I'm jealous.
Okay, she's your mommy back.
Oh, she's back home. I just finished cooking for her. I decided to come and help you.
But you're becoming stingy. Oh, why did you bring food for me?
Yeah, sorry. Okay, go to my house.
Hey! Welcome. If where is Mama?
Mama has gone out.
Ify.
Yeah?
I have a surprise for you.
Surprise? I like surprises, so what is it?
Yes.
Oh, I don't want to guess. Now just tell me. Just let me
try and guess now.
I can't guess.
You try and guess. I don't know what is guess. Guess it.
Jesus Christ. I don't know what is guess. I want to see the surprise. I like the surprise now.
Guess something now.
Oh, ma, I don't know what to say.
Guess it.
Hey. Once.
No.
Puff.
No. Every time puff.
Every time.
Close your eyes. Gang. Come. If you wait. See this out. Wait. This one was like
she wants to come in and give my club. The one your mother this one is not give me. Give my club. Okay, take this one, give me that one. No, give my club.
If you wait.
Oh, give my club. No, you're my friend again. Give me.
Demba. That is me. That is me.
Yes.
Unless anybody will come out and say that he doesn't know Demba.
The only man whose back never touches the ground. Hey!
So your brother's son is now in the city? Yes, yes. As we speak here now, he is in Onisha. Why did you allow him to go to the city? Hey, Elijah. To give monkey water to drink is one thing. Another thing is to bring back the cup. You are speaking in parables.
Oh, Elijah.
Okay, you know, it is not going to the city. That is the problem. The problem is making it in the city back home.
Now I know.
So, he's there enjoying himself. So what else? Auntie Ify, why so quiet now?
I am not happy to travel. What do you expect?
This was the progress of the family. He's not going to die there. Is he?
Who knows if he will die there? What will happen to him?
My sister,
Nothing.
Nothing.
They tell you what is happening. Never know so Tarion.
Vanna.
Where are my daughters?
You've all gone out.
Oh, good. But I hope they will remember to fetch more fireworks. Because the one we have at the backyard have already been exhausted.
I'm sure they will remember. Trust your children.
It's alright. But won't you go to the shop?
I will, but that will be when you get back.
I will. Let me grab my bag.
I don't know what is wrong with Gal. The attitude towards me now. Hey, brother.
What are you now?
What's your papa? Your wallet.
I swear, if both of you do not provide my wallet right now, you won't like my next action. Tell me the truth. Do you really take the wallet?
Hi. Obinna, you know I don't steal Obinna. We are not steal. Okay, you know what happened? This guy help me. I'll look for the wallet.
Your leg, which side? Which side of leg now? This one. The left one? Yes. Please, let's rush. Let's rush. Sorry, yeah? Sorry. Just manage, eh?
Who will help me this time? How do I begin again?
Mama, what's up? Mama, why are you crying? Papa, someone tell me what is going on there. Papa, did Papa call you? Papa, what is it? That someone should talk to us. Is that Pam dead? Hey! Did I tell you, Papa, is it dead?
Who will help me?
Is that what? Mama, should talk to us now. What is it? Mama, is he dead? Your father. What happened to him? He's here.
We went to the shop this morning.
Yes.
Hey, only to find out that the shop got bunched last night.
Hey, shop.
Jesus!
Who's that? Who will I run to? Eh? How do I do that? From where do I do that?
That reminds me. I overheard people crying as if someone's absence today.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious. Who knows if I'm from this thing?
The only son of Mazi will not die.
Don't say that, I beg you. If anything should happen to that boy, I don't think his father will survive it.
But I think the best thing to do is to find out what really happened.
Hey, I will do that. I must find that. This is serious. I must find that. I will. I'll find that.
I beg you, walk in. You are leaving for now. Yeah,
Take heart. Take heart, Titopikaka. It is not the end of the world. It doesn't worth your life. Eh? Take it easy. You see, we have to thank God that there was nobody in that shop. Otherwise, it would have been a different story. Please take heart.
My brother, you know that shop is the only source of income I have.
I know.
You see this petty business my wife is doing by selling tomato will I depend on? How can I get this children? How can I carry out this children? But my question is, who could have done this to me? Who could have done this to me?
Eh? Are you asking who could have done this? Look, do you not know that wicked and evil men live and eat with us? You don't know. Take that, my brother. I think the only thing we have to do is to raise some funds and let you set up another business. That is the only option now.
Raise some funds from where? From where? But if I have any hope at all, it should be that portion of land at Ada Road. But if I decide to sell it, who will buy it? Who will I go to come and buy it? How will I sell? Oh,
Look,
eh?
Look, why should you think of selling that portion of land? The only portion of land that you have left. Why should you think of selling it?
What, my brother, if I don't, how can I take care of these children? How can I see them through? You don't know what I call.
Okay, it's all right. If you have decided to sell it, really, just let me know. I can get you a buyer.
Eh?
I can get you a buyer.
Oh, my brother. That's why I always count on you. Oh, my brother.
Why are we brothers now? Why are we brothers?
Oh, my brother. Get them. I want to sell it.
I will.
I know somebody who can buy it.
Thank you.
I'll get it.
Hi.
Please take her there.
It's all right.
Take her. I should be on my way.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Okay, let them. We'll go and plug it.
Nonsense game. You like to think of other people's pop. If it's me now, you say puff.
They see puff.
Nonsense.
Thank God your father was not in when that incident happened. Don't worry. So far as there is life, there is hope.
My dear friend, Ogage, you won't understand. My father is going to start from scratch. As in square one. Everything is gone.
Remember what the Bible says.
I'm on Nankini. I believe God, I trust in God.
You pay more bags.
I pay that my boyfriend gave to me. I want to collect it. I beg you.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Why is you sleeping by this time?
I'm very tired when I woke up.
Don't do this. Chiso, you came to find out if you brought to find out what happened in the former's house.
Yes.
Hi. What now? Did anybody die?
Nobody died. Nobody died. So what happened? It's only that man is crashed up God.
Hey!
That's the only thing that happened. God won. How? Nobody knows. That's what they are facing in that family.
So how we not survive now? I shop.
That's what they are facing.
Anyway, we're coming there. My mother said to me, so when we're coming back, we'll come to it.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, bye-bye.
Hey, Ada. Let's go to your house now. Let me see that food that you want to cook. Look at you. You don't know that my mom's food is very sweet.
The other guy came and porridge. You even scrape the pot.
Don't worry, I'm going to your house now. We'll see what your mom prepared today.
Are you seeing Chimobi?
Hey, Ada. I see no. You were better one na for Talia. Look, what is your problem? I mean, have I warned you? Stop telling me anything concerning Chimobi. Stop telling me. I'm warning you for the last time. If Ifoma catch you, Ada, don't go on God do. If Ifoma catch you, she will deal with you merciless and you will not like it. Leave somebody's boyfriend alone.
Chika, what is wrong with you?
Ask me in a June.
What is wrong with you? Instead of you to support me, let me have Chimobi. You are telling me about Ifoma. What is wrong with you?
Me, Chika, support you to have somebody's boyfriend.
Ada,
your head is not correct at all. You want Ifoma to come and beat me up? So beat me up. What the guy Ifoma went to bag in also. Check on what tagging also. You have FIFA and Maggie. Let her catch you.
That boyfriend. Who is Ifoma? Say somebody's name or my village name. In this life, overtaking is allowed. And I have right to overtake Chimobi.
Chereka muwa Chika. Nyelega aka kinwete Chimobi. Nora here. Ifoma, I wish Ifoma would just come and jam you now, She will just mess with you mercilessly. It's like you don't know who is Ifoma. Let her catch you. Okay. When Ahamefula was coming for you, what were you? What were you doing? You ran away and refused it. Now it is somebody's boyfriend. Every time, Chimobi. I pity for you. If Ifoma catch you, I pity for you. I pity for you because Unfuge knows yourself. Man matters also.
Let me tell you. In this village, I must have Chimobi. Let's go. Chimobi will enter here. You see this my bum? Chimobi will enter my room.
Hey.
You see here? Chimobi will grab here. I must have Chimobi in this village, and that stupid informer will not do anything. Not today.
I'm marking it, baby. Okay, I'm hearing you. Let me tell you, if you hear, when here, Chimobi does not want it. Oh yeah, I did hear not here. If we are set Chimobi does not want it. Man forget the central bank again. If they may guy, Chimobi will enter here. Come, let him come and enter. Let me see. Chimobi is not entering here. I think on Chica, are you okay this morning? I'm not okay, but you came to my house and eat my food. I'm not okay.
No, you don't want to support me.
I'm not supporting you.
Chica, are you okay?
What am I even doing with you, sir? If I start going, I don't have
to. If I
somebody come here now and see the two of us conversating between Ifeoma and Chimobi. I don't want it. Go to your house. Chica, don't come to my house again. Don't come to my house. Chica, I don't want to see my house again. I'm not even going. I'm not going out again. Please, don't come to my house. I'm not even going to again. Go to your house again. Don't even go to my house again. Don't come close to me again.
I don't even need you again. I will get you on myself. I don't need you. I don't need your support. Get out.
Remember one name. Who is that? I was trying to go and do some planting at the backyard.
Yes, I'm here to let you know that I have decided to sell the land.
Alright, it's okay. It's alright. I will discuss with that my friend, and I'll let you. Thank you. Alright, thank you. Hey, let me get you something. Okay? Okay. Alright, I will let you know,
Is that for me or for someone else?
It is for you. Tell me, what will you do? Stop putting yourself out. I love you.
Yeah! What I mentioned about her. Did I just hear you say you love Chimobi?
Yes, that's the tears. No, she is the tears.
You love Chimobi, eh? This is Chimobi, love Chimobi. Chimobi, love Chimobi. This is Chimobi, love Chimobi. You will not leave my boyfriend. Leave my boyfriend. You will not leave. You will not leave. Today, this is love making. Chimobi and Ada making love. I will teach you a lesson. Chimobi and Ada.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. See, how far about your dad? Just stay interested about getting married.
Yeah.
Say something.
Ada. Yes, of course. He loves me and he can't do without me.
Oh, I'm happy for you. You can say that again. Oh my God.
Ada, that reminds me. What of Chimobi?
That one. My dear, I won't kill myself. I have to let him go. Chimobi does not love me. I was only trying to force myself on him. Not minding that he's madly in love with the former.
Why do you have to take the step in the first place? I told you severally, stop throwing yourself on them. But you wouldn't listen. That's your life.
You don't have to put the blame on me. I need a man to hook up with. I don't have any man. You don't have to put the blame on me.
Did I just hear you? You need a man to hook up. So you are now a fisherwoman. Stop throwing yourself on them. Stop! So that the right one will come.
At this point in time, whether there is Mr. Right or no Mr. Right, I will personally drag Mr. Left to Mr. Right. Yes.
Is this your plan? To drag Mr. Left to right? Ada, let me warn you. Let it not be that you are eyeing my Friday. Because if you do, it's okay, it's okay. Please, go, please. Bye-bye.
Come back now.
Bye-bye.
God, what is going on? I didn't take those items. How come they got into my bag? I wanted to do it so that they will see a reason to send me out of their house. No. My friends cannot do that to me. We love each other. What they said, nothing have ever missed in the house before. God, why now that I'm here?
Hey, everyone. Go ahead. You are doing your duty.
Hey, Rajan, you are taking care of her. I heard that your brother has finally said a lot. Oh, yes, you have reminded me. Yes, so, but see the game plan, eh? I want to present you as the buyer. Because I don't want him to know that I am the one buying the land from him. After payment, I'll collect back my money. Thank you very much. Why?
I'm just tired of all this. GKC, in as much as the missing items we have found in Afam's possession, I'm still not convinced that Afam took those things. I am confused. The problem is, I love Afam so much. I'm knowing him to be a good person. I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is wrong. So what do we do? Should we send him away? No, never. Obina, Afam is our friend. After all, we were the one that invited him here. So what do you suggest? I think we should allow him to stay. He's still our friend.
I want you to go and visit your mother tomorrow.
Why?
Go and visit her, of course.
Hey, Elijah, your plan will not work for you. Yeah? So you're asking me to go home because of your selfish plan you plan to them. Okay?
Why don't you mind your own business? Eh? Why can't you mind your business? Simply to go and know how your mother is faring. You are here talking what I don't understand.
Okay. I will advise you as my husband to stay away from that piece of land. Don't allow him to present you as the buyer. Nduka is his brother, not yours. Elijah.
If I give you a dirty slap with backhand now, they will say I'm very wicked.
What are you waiting for?
Nonsense. Advisor. Better go and see her tomorrow.
I called you all to let you know that after tomorrow, our land at Ada Road will no longer be ours. Somebody is coming to pay for it. Since we have no means of raising funds, so I've decided to sell the land so that I can use the money realized from it to set up another shop.
My dear husband, is your elder brother aware of this?
Yes. He's the one negotiating for a buyer.
My papa!
It's okay, I'm spoken.
Baby, are you going?
Chi, the only source of our income is gone.
Jesus.
And my father have decided to sell the only plot of land we have. Because our shop got burnt.
Hey! Chineke ụmụ nwanyị.
Baby, Miss Ua, just relax. Good God will serve is in control.
No one knows how it happened. My father went to the shop and discovered it.
Hey! Jesus. It's for God knows the best. You know?
That's just what we are passing through.
I believe that tomorrow is looking great. Oh, Nedia, baby, join me.
Nedia ni mokukwe, Nedia no lilanya, Nadabere na nkwaya, Otobo na sirede, Ogadimba memetia, Nedia, Ifimo, Nedia, Nedia, Nedia ni mokukwe, Nedia no lilanya, Nadabere na nkwaya.
Nena.
Good morning.
Good morning. How many times did you sweep this compound?
How?
Were you not the person I saw sweeping this compound around 4 a.m. when I came out to visit myself?
Maybe you saw me in your dream. Besides, it's not up to 5 minutes I woke up.
Nena, but I saw you.
Oh. So you're disturbing me, oh. Allow me to sweep now. Can't you see the compound is very dirty?
No problem. Sweep, eh? Maybe after now, you will sweep the compound. Make it 10 times in a day. Let me
You're disturbing me, oh. Black matter, oh.
Okay, okay.
young lady. Just for me. So how you doing today?
I'm fine. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Please, what is your name?
My name is Chizoba.
Chizoba. So where are you heading to?
I want to go and see my friend down the road.
You see, I came around to check on someone.
Okay.
And my car is parked down there. I don't know if you mind. Let's go toward the car. I just have something to say. I hope it's okay. Thanks.
Chizoba!
Papa!
Yeah. Are you busy?
I used to be busy, Papa.
Oh, yes. I want you to go to the bank and deposit some money for me.
Okay.
Because I don't want to keep this amount of money realized from the sales of our land in the house. It is risky.
Very, very.
Yeah, it's risky. Yes. Where is your mother?
She's in the kitchen.
Okay, call her for me. Call her for me.
Papa, you give me like 30 minutes time. Let me finish up with what I'm doing.
It's alright. It's alright.
Messenger. When you do it, people will not know. When you go, you pass, people will not see you. Udemba's messenger. Come. 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 You are welcome. Welcome. And well done. Welcome. Welcome. Good job. Now, return to this tree and remain there until when next I will need your services. Go. 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 want to deal with you. Be very, very careful.
So, that was how.
I said it. I've never been comfortable with this job. But all of you thought because of me, say, look at my brother. They see my father and he will place me in his room. You want to go make money? I'm going to stay like this. I'll be my the money to city. I'm look at you.
I said it. I dream of things I'm about to do. Not bad. Unfortunate. What happened this way? Thank God you're alive. Thank God you're alive. I found. Look at us. Afam, look at us. Look at me. Look at your father. All we prayed for just vanished. With a tingle of an eye. Your father is lying half dead inside. Who did I offend? Who did I offend? At the end of this,
Everything is happening so fast. I'm confused.
Excuse me. Yeah, good afternoon. So what's your name?
My name is Chika, sir.
Chika.
Yes, sir.
I'm looking for one Chizoba. Chizoba. Yeah. No, but she's lighting completely. Beautiful. Not tall. Plumpy.
Okay. Chizoba.
Yes.
The daughter of Mazin Tuka.
You're right.
Okay. You walk down this road.
This road?
Yes, by your left.
Yeah, I'll be on my way. Bye-bye.
So he has been like that for the past 2 days.
Yes, so Mazudeva. He can't even talk.
It is serious. Very serious. Ava, see me in my house this evening.
Yes, Uncle.
Okay.
Ada, my friend. Hey, Chika.
can't talk like this. All is well.
My sister, all is well, oh. But all is not well.
All is well and all is not well.
Babe, you will not believe it. If you see one handsome man I saw looking for Auntie Chizoba, hi, baby, you will grab him with force.
But wait, though. Are they the only girls in this village?
Oh, John.
Who is it that fine men are always looking for them?
My sister.
Atalia. Okay. See Shimobi now. Just imagine Shimobi at the dive. And they dive for this boy like man. See, people know they even send me. Ah.
But wait, too. We don't find like this.
Which kind of question from that one? I think if you don't find, I find. Don't tell me that kind of thing.
My question I ask you now.
I know 5 and die for me.
Hey, fine. What do you want to do?
I go for I want to fly. Hey, Ada. This girl is your mother, man. Where is your mama? I'm not going back here.
Please, I'm hungry.
Come and walk. You walk.
I'm walking. I'm walking.
Am I not walking?
Get the neighbor. Zoba, is somebody at home? Zoba. So how are you doing?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Yeah. I can see you're busy. You know, now
How did you get to my place?
Okay, now I just asked people around which where is such. I was describing you and they said it's the right house. I'm happy to see you at home.
Thank you. Let me get it.
Are your parents not at home?
No, they're not. Nobody's at home.
Wow. Yeah, to the other guests, they will be busy. That's why I trust you. Wow, thank you very much. I can see you and it's not very all the doors said they would be outside looking around. So what about your parents? Are your parents at home?
My father went to meeting and my mother went to market.
I see.
My younger ones went to the stream to fetch water.
That's beautiful. I'm happy I saw you at home.
Oh, really?
Let me help you with this.
Help me with this?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do it?
Let me try that. Let me try. You can only hear that. That's beautiful. That is it.
Take it easy with it too.
No, I won't. Oh, yeah, no.
Don't hurt yourself.
No, I won't too. I'm trying now. You can see.
How have you been?
I just fine. I just came back from the city, so I decided to check on you.
Oh, you tried.
I'm happy. You're at home. I don't know why they will be from one place to the other. Let me get you busy at home. So I think I'll be on my way now.
Yeah, you've tried.
Yes.
It's really nice. Okay, let me see you.
Okay, now it will be beautiful. Let's go. So I will see that. Dugan sobu wamo amamu ndi kasima mgbe nne m mụrụ m ewezuga nsogbu amalụ m ndị kacha Ada, what is it? Ada. No.
Chima!
Jesus! It's not what you think. How come my hands are clean? I swear to Almighty God, it's not what you think.
I will deal with you.
Good day, my children. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir. Is she your sister? She looks so beautiful and you're too black. Yes, sir. It is my fiancé. Oh, your fiancé. Beautiful. 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 So beautiful boy. What is your name?
Chinyere, sir.
Chinyere. That's good. You see, God has given you a good wife. I got you. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir. Don't like his face.
Afam, Uncle, I called you here in the presence of my good friend Elijah because there is rumor making around this community since you returned from the city.
Uncle, rumors?
In a rumors.
Sorry. Uncle, what rumors?
You know me. Right. I don't gossip. We heard that when you left Naija, that you went and joined bad gangs, armed robbers. And you became an armed robber. That it was during the last operation that you sustained that injury. In fact, bullet wound. And that was why you ran back to the village here. Kitia and Ansomo.
Uncle, yes. They are lying. They are lying against me, Uncle. Uncle, you know me very well. I'm not a thief.
Hey.
I don't steal.
Listen to me, Afa. Listen to me. I don't understand what you mean by it is a lie. Or they are lying. I'm not a thief. But what I want to tell you is, wait, it is not true. And what we have, who do we believe now? Okay. Afam, I don't know what you mean by Uncle they are lying against me, Uncle I'm not a thief. I don't know what you mean by that. So who do we believe now? You or the people who saw what they saw and came to tell us? See, I have known you as a good boy, but your sudden change in character is surprising me.
Uncle, I swear to God, I've not changed. They are lying against me. I'm not a thief.
Ava, Uncle, listen, let me tell you. I don't want to know whether it is true or not. I don't want to know whether you are lying or telling the truth. What I want to tell you is that I do not want to hear any of those rumors again in this community. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Uncle. Uncle.
Go. Can go.
Thank you, Uncle.
Look at. Only a list cake. You for your coat. You for your coat. On us, I know what. Many.
If please wait now.
Chimobi, what is it now? What do you want from me? What is the problem?
Nena, please, can you just excuse us?
So what is it? What do you want, You said that is the one you love, and you've been following her back to Bamba. Continue following her.
No, baby. Ada is not my girlfriend. No. Ada is not my girlfriend.
Oh, she's not your girlfriend.
And you know that.
Oh, wait. Ada is not your girlfriend, right?
I go out to Ogiamo. Because Ada is just trying to set me up.
But she's a woman friend.
No, she's not even my woman friend.
She's your woman friend. Please. Okay, now listen and listen with Chimobi. Leave me alone, Leave me alone. I have a lot of things bothering me, Just stay away from me, Chimobi. Let me have a moment of peace, okay?
Baby, you know your problem is our problem now. Let's tackle it together because that's not my girlfriend. I swear to Almighty God, she's not my girlfriend.
This man again.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
This one you are changing your face like this. Okay, where are you going?
To my fiance's house, sir.
Oh, your fiance. Hey! Oh, that person I saw you with the other day.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I can now go.
Yes. Please. Can you come to my house this evening?
The house?
Yes.
For what? Hey! Hey!
Why are you shouting?
Hey! God forbid! To fear what? Hey! Some other Balaba and this show above and us. Please, I'm sorry for what happened. I don't mean to ask you.
You don't have to beg me. Rather, I'm the one that's supposed to beg you. Forgive me.
It's okay. I've forgiven you already, so that's why I'm here.
Thank you very much. So, I promise not to hurt you again. I swear to my God.
I sure you won't have to do it.
I won't.
Nina. Never more. Never more. Nina,
Nena, please. I want you to forgive Shima, okay? I'm sorry for what he did. And don't ever mention it to anyone, not even Mama. Have you heard? You know what I mean? Thou shalt not talk.
Well, that's my sister. Forgive me, I'm forgiving you. You don't have anything against you.
Thank you very much. Hey, look, go pura. Hey, go out to work here, boy.
My husband, have some water. How are you feeling? My husband. Hey, my husband. Please, my husband. Please, don't do this to me. My husband. Hey! Hey! My husband! My husband, what is it? My husband, please, look at me. Don't do this to me. No, say that. Don't do this to me. My husband, please, look at me. Don't do this to me, please. Don't do this to me.
You're taking water. Where are you going to? Want to take your beds?
Yes, I want to go and see Mama.
Okay, let me help you.
My lord, what do you say that you're going to do to me?
That man is a stupid man. That man is something else. You know that yesterday Udeba told me he wants me on his bed.
On his bed?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. When I was trying to leave him, he slapped my ass.
Udemba slapped your ass. My fiancé ass. Your ass.
Yes.
Hey, Udemba. So that was his mission.
Do you know the funniest part of it? Immediately he slapped my ass. I just feel like accepting him.
I will deal with that man, though. I will deal with that man.
Let me go and take
I will deal with him. Demba.
Don't worry.
Demba, where are you? Where are you, Demba?
Hey, what is it?
Okay, you are there.
Who are you?
Udemba.
What is it?
Udemba, any day I see or hear that you touch my wife with us, Udemba, I swear to Almighty God, I will definitely kill you. I will kill you, Udemba.
Have you finished ranting? Now listen, young man. I will have that girl front, back, and sideways anytime, as much as I want her. And there's nothing you can do. And if you know what is good for you, get out of this compound before I get nasty at you. Get out!
Udemba, this is last time I'm warning you. Leave my wife alone. Fool! You stupid man! You're a wicked man! Fool!
Hey, come back here. So you think you can come into Udemba's compound? You could come on your one of GDG community? You think you can come to my compound and run to me and get free? No, you are lying.
Udemba, you can't do me anything. You cannot do me anything, Udemba.
All right, just hold. Go down. I thought you were a strong man. You will remain here until I set you free. Stupid man. Shut up! I thought you were strong. Set yourself free now. Shut up!
What is it? My father is dead.
Your father?
My father.
My brother. Nduka.
My
hey! What? How? When? What happened to him?
My father is dead.
Hey! Nduka. Hey! Go, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming behind you. Hey! Nduka. Hey! We all have seen what happened. We cannot question God. We cannot blame him. All we have to do now is to look for a way to give him a fitting burial. What has happened has happened. Afam, take heart. You are a man. This is the time to distinguish between men and women. You are now the head, the leader. So take heart. It's okay. It's alright.
Hey, Udemba. The only man his back never touches the ground.
The Ikukwama no nyakwa.
So finally the Iroko tree has fallen.
Yes, and when the Iroko tree falls,
yes,
all the birds will fly away.
That is true. And this time around the birds will not even have any tree to perch.
The road is clear. Now the way is open.
Egoma is now mine. Thank you. Her name is Ekoma, and now she will begin to share it properly.
Udemba, when you start to play those free kicks, just take it easy so that she will not get pregnant so soon.
Hey!
Elijah, Onyamuma, are you afraid of pregnancy? No.
Okay.
It is better I give her pregnancy. Hey! You know why? Because I am going to tumble her front, left and right, up and down.
I know what you can do, I trust you. I wish I would play with the defensive.
No, there's no referee in this game. No, at all. There's no referee.
Okay.
There's no referee.
Hey!
Yes! I know you love your daddy so much.
But you will not die with him. Or will you? I'm here for you, and I'm always going to be here for you.
Shimobi, I'm not going to die with him. I'm going to understand. You don't know how much I love him.
Baby, I understood you. But you know I love you so much. Baby, I'm always there for you. I will love you till death do us part.
Baby mo, honey mo, sweetie mo. Asapete wanyi oma. Ele uku ebu mo. Kisi emem naru. Onemem tenene na. Baby, can you sing only? Ona tonu moto. Kisi amunamu. Onemem tenene na. Baby, bugom.
Baby, when is the burial taking place?
A week from now.
A week from now? Yes. It is okay. But I'll be traveling 3 days to the burial date. But I'll give you a check of 200,000 naira in case there's anything you need to buy. Okay?
200,000 naira.
200,000 naira.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
It's okay. What is it?
Can't you just wait? Maybe after the burial you travel. Please.
Baby, I'm sorry. I wish I could stay back. But if I miss this opportunity, I don't think I will regain it in the next 5 years.
But I'll be missing you.
I'll miss you so much too. Come on, baby. Give me a hug.
Come on.
Come on, let's go in.
Don't worry, he's going to come.
Are you serious?
Yeah, now you know how he passes this room. Don't worry. Let's just wait and we'll see him for you. Let's meet. This thing that you love. Chichi. Good afternoon. You're doing this thing to me. I love you.
Adam, get out of my sight. I don't love you and can never love you. Can't you understand that? I love my Arigola Togia.
I will kill myself.
You will kill yourself. Kill yourself now. After all, you almost cost me my relationship the other day. Huh? Do you look at
I'll do anything you want.
Wait, you will do anything for me? Huh? Okay, get up.
Okay, thank you.
Get up.
Thank you.
Up. You know what? You will jump like wow for me. That is all.
I'll do that.
Oh yeah. Action. Come back. Come back. Attention. Artist. Attention. Artist.
You think say you too fine, no? You think say you too fine. Anywhere you go, you think say you too fine. Don't touch me.
Anywhere you go. Don't touch me. You want war? Come on, don't touch me. Wait! I love my Erigolo at all. Don't touch me. I love my Erigolo at all here. Come on, now. Upon the Azu, so chill. Feather of the same feather. Don't touch me. I love my Erigolo at all here. I love my Erigolo at all here. I love him. I love her. And I will always love her.
Or you see the Christian in me. Idiot, you are treated as your so-called boyfriend. Oh, I don't care. Nonsense. I don't mind going back. I will deal with you. Nonsense. Idiot. Let's vow. I will punish you. No, Mama. Let's vow. No, Mama. I must deal with you. Jesus! Ada, queen me if I just sit now, Mama is taking your car and come. Hey, I said it. That girl is as wicked as a beast. She can do anything. Hey, hey, I know what people are in this place. Hey, Ifoma, chai. Hey, don't wait, let me come and look for something to give you, eh? Chai. Oh. Ifoma, don't worry. Yeah, sorry, go. Support. I don't know what I would have done.
It's nothing, you know. God bless you. It's nothing. Don't thank me. What I've read is for. So,
this is fine.
It's okay. It's very beautiful. So far.
Yes.
Let me talk to you, please. Oh, that's my baby. I love you so much. You see, I'm probably gonna make you happy, okay? Come on, let's go in. Like, come for celebration.
Master Demba. Master Demba. Master Demba. Master Demba. Master Demba.
Who is that? Hold on.
Demba.
Hold on.
It's me, Chinyero. Udem is me. Udem.
So what are you doing in the house?
Then don't tell me you don't want me anymore.
Were you not the one that told me to not want me? Were you not the one?
I say so, but I'm sorry. It won't happen again. I'm sorry. I want you now.
So what of your man? You don't want him again?
It's you I want.
You sure? Serious?
Yes.
You sure? You sure? Come back to this house. Nonsense.
Hey, what? Hey, when is my in-law coming?
It's tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow? Get here.
Now.
Hey. Wait, have you told your uncle?
I have not told. I'll go and see him as soon as I'm done with this.
Let up here. Maka again is it? Hey. Anyway, it's okay. But make sure you tell him this night.
I will, Mama.
It is very, very important.
I will. Okay. I hope everything is ready.
My dear, everything is ready. Trust your mom.
And my younger sister.
Of course, don't worry. Don't worry. Hurry up, let me go inside and finish what I'm doing.
Okay.
Officer, okay.
I'm coming.
Alright.
Steven, I called you 3 times. And 3 times you will go. You will go. You will go. This is the end of the road for you. I tell you. Die, Steven. Die, Steven. Die, Steven. Die, Steven. Die, Steven. Die, Steven. Die. Die, Steven. Die. Die, Steven. Die. Die.
Stay here and wash plate and for my mom.
No, follow me to my husband.
Yes, she's not following you. She's not following you.
At least you have to fetch water from mama. Yeah. Of course, because I don't know.
You make money and give money. Money fine. Yes. Then I will come home to washing your wife's clothes for 5 years.
Are you ready? Just about sit down now. What is it?
You're doing guy now.
Mama, all his lines are off.
Calm down. Calm down, eh? Calm down, you will be having some flashbacks before.
You're talking of flashbacks. I said it's 3 lines. They are all off at the same time. You see that?
Oh. Let us push it back. Don't worry. Don't worry, something like that.
I will dance for you guys.
Chica! Hey! Hey! What is it? What is it? And I was coming. Hey, Chizoba! What is this, my Chizoba?
It's okay.
Stop crying, okay? What has happened? Has happened.
You won't understand. This is making it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Now I said, if I was to pay my bride price, that's it. What am I living for?
Stop crying. It's okay, stop crying.
We understand how you feel. We feel the same way too. 7 good times is enough for one to commit suicide. But we'll not kill ourselves. We'll not fight God. It's okay, stop crying.
Mama, sister, stop crying. God knows why it happened like that. Yes, He knows the best. Please stop crying. Please stop crying.
I can't believe this family is getting me scared. Hey! This is the 7th time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What is that? Mama, no dear. Put my children back here.
Mama, who is alive? God is alive. Go with your father.
Now stop this. I can't see. Jesus. I can't see. Sister. Jesus. Sister. I can't see. Hey. Mama.
As these grains of sand scatter, Nduga, so shall your family scatter. Henceforth, there shall be no peace. There shall be no progress in your family. And so shall it be. So shall it be. So shall it be.
I've lost my sight. Mama, what is happening to us?
God, what have we done? God, why? Baba.
Jesus, my daughter is fine. Hey! I come back.
What have we done? Look at my daughter. God, why?
What did I offend?
Mama, we believe in God. I believe you will not forsake us, Mama. God is alive.
Eat your food, okay?
I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat again.
So this is true.
God, woman.
Why?
Okay. Look at my sister. Look at her. All of a sudden, she lost her sight. My family is heading to an impending doom. I don't know what is happening to us, honestly.
Oh God, what is life without sight?
Sister Chisoba.
I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat.
Sister, please, now you can't continue like this. Please.
Sister Chisoba. Blindness is only a visitor. I know visitors only stay temporarily and not permanently. I believe one day God will restore your sight. Amen. Ozugo, ne bezina. Ebina, che. Ozugo, please. Hi, no. Please.
I'm sending you.
Yes, I will buy big car for you.
Hey,
Uncle, don't stop on it. See, someone's just watching.
What is that? Wristwatch.
Yes.
Very good one. Hey, pick it.
No, Uncle, it's not my own. I don't even know who owns it.
You can help me owner to keep it or you wear it. See, I'm wearing my own.
No, Uncle, it's not my own.
Pick it.
Hey! It's very beautiful, Uncle. Forget me now. Hey! It's even more beautiful than your phone.
Hey, that's good.
I've watched that.
Hey, there's something I want to Yeah, read it. Read this. Read it loud. I want to hear it.
I, Ifoma, from today, will be a troublemaker, a destroyer, and a thief. Uncle, what's the meaning of this now?
You will never remember what you have said now again.
When did that one start? I know my children very well, Afam. You don't raise hands on each other. Let alone raising voices on each other. As far as I'm concerned, she cannot insult you.
Okay, Mama, that's what they are.
That's right.
Mama, I want now. Let's actually look at me. Let's make it. I'll kill her.
And you, what did you do?
Mommy, I did not do anything. Mommy, I was just playing as my girl. I have a cover. I don't know what I'm looking at.
Chineke me. Okusia.
Afam. You're supporting her now. You're supporting her.
Hey. Bye. Now you Demba. You don't know so. Now you Demba. Now you Demba.
Yeah. Who is that? Wait, Joe. Hold on, I'm coming. What What is that? Come in.
Hey! Now you let me. Hey! Come inside. Thank you. Come inside.
Hey! What brings you to my house today? Hey, please sit down. Thank you. Sit down. What brings you to my house? Oh, have you finally accepted my proposals?
No. That is not why I am here. I am here in respect of my children's recent behavior.
Oh, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. I will take care of that. I'll take care of that. So come on. Can we now talk? Let's talk one.
Nani, what is the meaning of all this?
What do you mean, what is the meaning of all this? Hey, come on, are you not a woman?
And so?
Are you not a woman? Am I not supposed to take care of what my brother left behind?
What? God forbid. Over my dead body.
Listen, let me tell you. I must have you as much as I want. See, even if you shout here, nobody will come to your rescue. The whole villagers fear me, including their ego. You know,
I am not
nobody was coming to your rescue.
Leave me alone.
How much is this fish? The fish is 500 and the stockfish is 200 naira. Hey, it costs so. Give me this one for 200. I'm tired you only. Oh yeah, give me this one for 100 naira. I want to buy this one.
Don't worry, let me go and buy a fresh fish and meat. No, not just. Hey, look in the market. Auntie. My stockfish, you cook anything. How? You said it to me. My stockfish are not cooked. How? Meaning what? That's not just away you there. What do you mean by that? Check your work. Come on, get out. On your show. Shall we my market? Are you mad? On your show. Are you mad? I'm sorry, I'm not complaining. Back out. Hey! Keep where's my Yoshi? On Yoshi!
What is going on?
She took my complete. She said it. My fish. Look at it. Look at it. I have already complete. Hey! On Yoshi!
It's okay. It's your fault. It's okay now. If I'm come back here, what's wrong with you? If I'm come back here, Mama, Ify, what is happening? It's Mama. What happened? I don't know. It's coming.
Tell me the truth. Did you do?
Honestly, I don't know if to say yes or no. Because I found the stockfish inside my poly bag. I don't even know how it got there.
Stop crying. Okay. Stop crying. That was exactly what happened to me. And I was a punisher to be chickens. But I know that I'm a God.
When you narrated the story, I believed you. I know you can't take anything that doesn't belong to you. Our mother didn't bring us all far away. Because me again.
Boy, you will call this alive. Serious.
So you believe me?
Let's go.
What are you doing? Ifeoma, as you can see, you don't have anything again at all. So please, I would want you to manage this. Take. Manage this guy, yeah? To manage it, yeah? Even your siblings have taken their own. What are you doing? Ifeoma! Hey! Hey! God, what is wrong with my daughter? Hey!
Is it again? I know you can never. That doesn't belong to you. Baby, just tell me what happened.
Honestly, I can't tell. I don't just know what happened.
Baby, you know what? You have to be careful with those that stay around you. This is exactly what happened to your brother sometimes ago.
You won't understand. I'm so ashamed of myself. I can't even walk along the street. I'm ashamed of myself.
Baby, you know I love you. And I will still love you. I love you again. Baby. You know what? Let's just go inside. Eh? Baby.
Yes.
Afam. Wherever you are now, from this moment on, you shall drink and drink and drink more than the fish. Drink and drink and drink and drink. So shall it be. So shall it be. So shall it be.
Where are you coming back from?
Hey, and what kind of stupid question is that? Eh?
What?
Hey, Mama. Don't ask me that kind of nonsense question, okay?
What? Ifeoma, if you get... Ifeoma! That is not Ifeoma. No. Ifeoma. Afam, when did you start drinking again? When did you start drinking, Afam? Hey! My enemy has done it. Hey! Who did I offend? Who did I offend? Luka, oh, Luka, let me here. Luka! Luka! Look at me! Look, this is not what you planned for me!
You can go in now.
Inaputara Bemamu nana sobu Akwagistini
Geburu mi bua Akwagistini gaburu kemo male Anani rugi Kankete
Nena! Who took the cannot take it on the table, Nena? Eh, Nena?
Please, me. Is that why you're shouting?
Oh, hey! Me! Shouting! Me shouting! Nena, me shouting! Eh? Stand up from there! Stand up here! Stand up here! Give me that on this one or I kill you in this house! Give me that granite! Give me that granite! Mama! Mama! Nena, get up there! Give me that granite! Mama! Jesus! Nena! Nena, sorry! Nena, because I don't worry about the granite! Mama! Nena, take the granite! Nena, get up! Nena, get up! Nena, hey! Nena!
I was coming to your house. Let's go back to your house.
So what about your fiancé? Do you not want him again?
I've not seen him for a long time, and I don't want to hear about him again. He should go to hell and burn to ashes. It's you I want.
It's me you want. It's me you want, eh?
Let's go back to the house.
Wait. I have an important assignment. I will go, but when you get to the house, there is that yellow rubber. Eh? Lift it up. You will see the key to the house under the yellow rubber. Wait for me inside the house.
Them,
I will join you.
let's go now.
I will join you. Go to the house. I will come and meet you. Go to the house, eh?
I need you.
I will come.
Hey.
I will come.
Go
to the house. Go and wait for me.
I'm waiting for you.
Wait for me, eh? This is Odogu, Ikukwa Manonya of Inuchiriji community. If you do not fear him, first.
What did you use to kill this guy? You wicked girl! Are you seeing what is happening in your house? This girl. You will see your joke very soon. I'm not going to my own daughter.
Mama, wait. What will happen? Mama, look at me. Mama, go home. Please, go home. Take your children back from me. I swear, and I promise you, I'll bring her back. Mama, listen to me first now, please. Go home. Take your children back from me, please. Please, go.
Search this side here. Is this side?
Are you sure? Are you just... Mama!
Mama, go home. Jim, my mama is missing. Is this her? What? Jim, my mama is missing. Wait.
Are you trying to tell me that my informer, Aligola Tuogiami, is missing? You guys are joking.
She's missing.
Are you sure?
It just don't come. Did you see Forma? Anywhere, anyhow. Did you come across her? Please. Did you see her?
I heard someone.
Where?
Crying.
Where now? Where?
Oh, computer building. Down the road over there.
Wait, can you take us there? Can you take us there? Let's go. Aligola Tuogiami.
I don't like him now. Tell us the truth now.
See this girl.
I don't like him now. If I like him, I'll tell you.
How can you not like someone that came from the city with money?
I don't like him.
Okay. So my sisters, do you know the latest news?
What latest again, my sister?
Hey, wonders shall never cease to happen in this outreach. Do you know Ifoma? That idiot.
I know Ifoma very well.
That idiot kid our own sister.
Wonders indeed. And she's now insane, no? Like she has gone mad. She's mad.
Are you serious?
I saw her now. I'm not lying. I saw her.
That's sad.
Really, but shut up your mouth. Shut up. Do you think it's ordinary?
Just whatever you call it. Don't you ever try to get you. I'll take it.
Don't you ever rejoice over someone predicament. Because if you do, you will face the road.
You don't be flat-free.
Are you mad?
You're here.
And you, anybody that comes to slap, you cannot even slap this girl. Huh?
Mama. This witch, Ada, what is wrong with you? Why are you insulting her? Is she not older than your mother?
My daughter, may God have mercy on you.
Please, don't call me your daughter as if you have one. Ada,
are you mad?
Are you mad? Don't ever insult me. Idiot! Stupid girl.
It's okay. She's not an idiot. I don't blame you. It's God that I'm blaming, not you, dwarf.
Do you know God? Do you know God? Which? We can never give birth. Ada! Shut up! Remember you're a woman and not yet married. The future tells and the future matters. No. Nonsense. Stupid girl.
That's me. You see, all these calamities that are befalling this woman, these troubles here and there, if she had accepted me, I would have been there for her. If she had allowed me to come in, yes, I would have given her coverage. You are right. But you see, come on. Well, I believe she will come to the realization soon. But remember, when you get into your kingdom, you should remember me. We are together. As in what? Elijah, don't go there. It is not shareable now. No, don't go there. It is not shareable. No, how? It is my natural right. She will surrender everything, not so, to me. Remember. Wait, okay, instead, I will give you Chinya. But if your wife catches you, I come and tell you. Don't worry about my wife. Forget my wife. Don't worry about her. Chinya, okay, you want to use Chinya to settle me? It is not settlement. This one is for me. She is naturally my right. Because she will give me everything. Okay? Yeah, I will give it to you. Because she will surrender everything, not part to me. Huh? Chinyere is so good. She's malagable. She's malagable. Hey! All about position.
Be careful of some people, I know they lie. Cause me, I don't learn sense for this my life. They got a smile for your face, for behind them they kill you. Every night and day, they won't make you die. No be lie, no be lie, yeah. I know they lie. No be lie, no be lie, yeah. I know they lie. No be lie, no be lie, yeah. I know they lie. No be lie, no be lie, yeah. I know they lie.
My sister is very sick. I don't want her to die. Even though she's blind, I believe that one day she'll be sick. What am I going to do? I have sold everything in my shop just to make sure we eat one scramble in a day.
Mama. Mama.
Mama, I know our uncle has been treating us bad. And he doesn't care for us. Mama, I don't have any other option than to seek for his help. Mama, my sister is dying.
You won't understand.
Mama, I won't understand. My sister is dying. Mama, we need money. We need help.
We have proof. That's the best. Hey, let the help me. Hey! Will you come back here? Look at this second Timothy children.
What is it now?
What kind of children are they breeding nowadays? Oh, is it me you are talking to like that is high? So you cannot open your opinion mouth to greet your father. Hey!
Who is our father? You or him? Eh? Because let's go now, this many people.
Come back here! Come back here! Come back here!
People getting why you stop for this thing getting Demba. You're the one that said you should stop. So I stopped. Okay, you're not the one dragging me back. You're like, you first stopped, then I followed you. What do you want me to do?
Why do you like lying? You can lie you.
My they become not lying.
I know you're liking them now.
Huh.
You like it.
Hey.
I saw you were eyeing him.
Kudemba kwa. Hey. Me. I Kudemba. Are you still young for me or? That is so good and like him. I beg stop. I have my own boyfriend. Young boyfriend. He's handsome. That man is handsome. Even though he's handsome, I can never date somebody that is very wicked. And I can never date an You're not better than people you are stupid.
Baby, join me.
Baby. You know what? Let's just go inside. Eh? Baby.
Yes.
Arigola to Gamu, where are you now? Oh, them love you, where are you now? Please come back to me now. Izzy! Baby, more, sweetie, more, Anatasian. Hello, baby, more, because Anatan. Aligolo atuagi amo, because you know, Anano. Baby, open ga power. If where are you? Please come back to me now. If Aligolo atuagi amo, Ubentom. If more, baby, more, Anatasian. Aligolo atuagi amo, baby, more, Anatano. Baby, I've ga bagwa, mabulu nirapumo. Baby, I love na do. Piano Timo begin a boggy. Is it more? Baby, more. Galataziano. Is it more? Baby, more. Galatano. Baby, I'm big. Baby, I'm big. Please come back to me now.
food is sweet. Oh, Afam. So you know how to cook now?
I know how to cook before now. It's not because you put on some brother allow me to cook.
That's good.
Please wait. Take him.
Where have you been all this while?
I went to my maternal home to see my sick grandmom. Ogechi, please, have you heard anything about Ifoma's whereabouts?
Not at all.
I mean her whereabouts.
No. But I'm planning to go to her house this evening after cooking for my mother.
Tom. Arigola at work here. See, you know what? I would like to go with you. If you are going in the evening, just let me know so that I will go with you. I know her whereabouts.
No problem. I will call you when I'm going.
Biko Kenengo.
Okay.
Biko.
No
problem. Hey! Upien Tom. Eligolo. At work here. Hey! Chineke Umuwai. Nothing will happen to my Upien Tom.
Mama, stop crying, yeah? Stop crying, we'll soon be well, yeah?
What's happening here?
Mama.
Jesus. Mama. Okay, what is it? What is it now?
What happened?
What happened to her?
Mama. Chineke Umuwai. What really happened? Afam, talk to me now.
Yesterday night I was leaving myself by front of here. Listen, I had a shout.
Talk now.
Listen, I had a shout from the bathroom. When I got there, I saw my body.
Hey!
See the result.
Hey! Chineke Umuwai. I know that the good Lord will serve you. Will surely heal, Mama.
Stop crying.
I'm not gay, I'm not gay,
Jesus!
My daughter, don't go away. We need your help. Please come and help us.
Who are you? It is not necessary. Please, come and help us. If we can.
Your clothes or your clothes?
Come. Come.
What do you want here? Ah. Let's take it. It was many years ago.
Which year? I will deal with you. I will personally deal with you. Hello, baby. Baby. Baby.
Please take off your hand. Who are you and what is the meaning of this?
My name is Ide, the only son of his parents. My parents are rich. I swear you will never regret being my girlfriend.
I am sorry. I can't befriend someone like you.
Are you stupid? Do you know who am I? I will call my boys to rape this thing you are carrying around.
Don't you ever touch my axe again, you jobless man.
I must have you. I must have you.
Bros, finally, she has agreed to be the mother of my children.
This girl you always talk about, where is she from? I would like to see her.
My girl, she from Masa village.
Our neighboring village?
Yes.
When are you bringing her home? I want to see her. At least let me know who is she.
I'll bring her in let's say come again there.
I can't wait to see her. I would like to see her.
Okay, no problem.
Have we met before?
I don't think so.
Bros, this is the lady I told you about. Her name is Ekoko.
Wow. Wow. She's so beautiful.
Thank you, brother.
She's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Let me get something for you, okay?
I took you. What don't like you? Let me see. This is my father's compound. I took you. Let's go inside. Go inside.
Is this not the girl I tried to have, even if it is just once? Just one night. But she refused. I never knew she was reserving it for my kid brother. This is my opportunity. This time around, I must get her on my bed. Yes. I will never rest until I have her. Never. I must have her.
You see, all efforts that I made to have her proved abortive. So, when she left, I summoned the courage to call my younger brother.
What's he called me?
Yes, I called you. What I'm about to say now may not sound funny, but I want you to understand with me.
What is it?
It's about Ekoma, you know.
Any problem?
You know I'm your elder brother.
I know.
You're not supposed to get married before money. I suggest you hand over Ekoma to me for marriage.
Boss, are you okay? Can you hear yourself? I should give my Zoo wife to you. When tradition said the head brother or sister must first get married before any other person.
Ndoka, your voice is going high.
No, don't tell me that. Won't my voice go high? Now listen, let me tell you. Even if the tradition decided to make it so, you will go and find yourself a wife, not mine.
And the elder brother.
Elder brother, my food.
We shall see.
We shall see nothing.
Are you sure of it?
So, when they finally got married, I became angry with them, but they did not know. They didn't know. Oh, I killed my brother. I killed him. I made the former to kill her sister. I made her troublemaker and a thief. So whatever she goes. She's over. I made her blind. Made her blind and I killed her. The husband. With her. I punished her farm. I punished her farm and brought it back from the city without anything. They come at their mother. They made her sick. Because even after the death of her husband, she still refused to accept my request. I even turned those two girls into loves. Those two girls that were turned into loves, I was responsible. Please don't kill me. Please spare my life. I don't want to die. Please, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please, my brother, please come back.
Mama. My back. Hey. Yeah. My back. Oh, that is your father. Oh. Hey, Luka. Look how where are you? Hey.
How shall we see you, Mama? Mama, it's okay. Papa.
Stop. Hey.
Are you sure she's inside? Ifeoma!
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 It's okay. The good Lord will serve is alive. Thank you, Jesus. Let's take her home. Let's take her home immediately.
You're very white. I'm not trouser. I'm not sister.
Mama, are you okay?
Sister, what? Mama, I can't see. I can't see you, Mama. Mama, you make it. Mama, you can make it.
Mama, can you stand up?
Yes.
Mama, stand up.
Mama, you can make it.
Mama, stand up.
You can make it, Mama. Mama, you can make it. 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 Jesus!
Lest I forget. Uncle Udemba.
What happened to him?
He is at the market square.
Doing what?
Confessing.
Confessing what?
He said that he's responsible for all the predicament that is happening here.
Hey!
That he killed your husband, my in-law. That he made Auntie to be blind. That is the one that made Afam to be stealing.
I sent him back.
Yes. And he said that he is the one that made my Adigola to run mad. What I'm telling you people is in reality. I saw it with my two naked eyes. Confessing. He was confessing. He was even running mad.
Hey!
Our God have done it.
Yes.
His sins have find him away. Yeah. So we have to thank God. Let's go now. So that
let's go.